Hello guys, welcome to Surfing on Science. This is our first video on YouTube, so we decided to come up with something interesting. We all love to hear scientific facts, right? In this video, we are gonna discuss about some scientific facts. Not as usual, we are gonna mention the scientific facts that are unexplainable and those remain as myths. This list is prepared personally guys, and if you want anything to be mentioned, comment down below and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Our first unexplainable fact is about Anunnakis and the Nibiru or Planet X. Nibiru was first mentioned in a book written by David Mead known as the 2017 Arrival. According to that book, Nibiru is a star system and there are some planets revolving around it. The myth is that one of the planets revolving around Nibiru will crash with Earth in future. But according to NASA, there is no official information about Nibiru and it remains as a rumor. And coming to Anunnakis, Anunnakis are a group of aliens living on the planet Nibiru. There are many myths about Anunnakis that they are responsible for the civilization of our planet. What do you think about this topic guys? Please let us know in the comments. Now, let us move on to our second unexplainable fact, which is about the black holes. Black holes are the places where there is a huge amount of gravitational pull in our universe. Studying about black holes is very interesting guys. There are also many myths about the black holes. Most of the people wonder what lies inside of a black hole. Many people also believe that black hole takes everything in its surroundings and destroys it. But many scientists claim that the particles taken by the black holes do not fall directly into it. They revolve around the black hole in the event horizon, and when these particles lose momentum, they fall into the black hole due to high gravitational pull. The particles get superheated and will be ejected as X-ray jets. Many scientists claim that black holes might be portals for another universe. But this may or may not be true guys, so this topic remains as unexplainable. Our next fact is about time traveling guys. For this, we need to speak about a person who claimed himself to be a time traveler from year 2036. His name was John Titor. John Titor was actually a soldier. On 2nd November 2000, he sent his first message to the people through fax, claiming that he was a time traveler from the year 2036. He traveled to 1975 in the past for taking IBM 5100 with him and stopped in the year 2000 to make people believe him. He also said about the Peru earthquake in 2001 and the space shuttle disaster in Colombia in 2003. He also posted the images of his time machine. So let's wait until 2036 to find out whether John Tito was right or wrong guys. The last unexplainable fact in our list is about the Mandela effect. First, let me define Mandela effect. Mandela effect is a situation in which people believe that an event has occurred when it did not. For example, Nelson Mandela's death was believed to happen in 1980s and many people also reported that they have seen his live funeral in televisions. But when you go to Google and search about Nelson Mandela's death, you will find out he had passed away in the year 2013. There are also many other events like this, like the Coca-Cola logo, Kit Kat logo, and the Looney Tunes spelling. Many scientists believe that this is related to the parallel universe. What do you think about this guys? Please let us know in the comments. If you guys find this video interesting, please encourage us by subscribing our channel and press the bell icon to never miss our interesting updates.